Hello friends, this is Asha Kulhar. Let's talk about the regal sign today. Yes, I'm talking about the zodiac sign of Leo, which is ruled by the king of planets, Sun. So these natives are born leaders. They always like to be in authoritative positions. They are very demanding in nature. So Leo natives, if you have someone working for you and you promote them to a higher position, they do really well. They perform really well in the leadership roles because they're natural born leaders and they're very good at inspiring other people or motivating other people with their leadership skills. So natives, they also seek a lot of stability in their professional career, but there is a lot of disputes that they have to face. They may face a lot of hurdles in their professional life. But the area that is most concerning for them is their fourth house. Why? Because it's related to their emotions. So these natives could be very secretive about their emotions, or they may not feel very safe sharing their emotions. There's something to do with their relationship with mother as well. So in the matters of inheritance, in the matters of property, they should be careful because there's high chances of cheating happening in the life of Leo natives. Leo natives usually, although it's a sign of a kingly planet, they do not get things that easily in their life. They create a lot of disputes with their speech. They could be very critical sometimes. So they should be very careful related to their money matters, related to their property, related to their inheritance, related to their speech, because it can lead to disputes and cheatings. So Leo natives are usually very lucky, or they get lucky after the birth of their children, as Sagittarius falls in their fifth house. Or Sagittarius going in the fifth house also shows that they have a high expenditure on the matters of education related to their children, because they also have their 12th house ruled by Cancer. So it's somewhere showing that they're spending a lot of money related to their education of their children. With Cancer falling in the 12th house, also again showing some sort of losses related to the fourth house. These native may move abroad for study purpose, or they could have to, move away for some other reason, away from home, away from motherland. Or it also shows their health could be a matter of concern if they don't look after it. With fourth sign going in the 12th house, these native have to be careful in the matters of their investment, as there is a high chances of cheating in that area too. Or their mother could be hospitalized. They might have to spend a lot of money on that. So these are just few of the basic ideas that I've just shared for Leo natives, and I'll be coming up with more for other ascendants. Thank you very much.